Welcome to my digital token board, a digital task card set you can find at Play, Learn, Talk on Boom Learning. This is a digital tool you can pair with any game or activity that you're using during teletherapy. You simply would pull it up in a separate tab or browser, and you're going to use it to reinforce your students' participation and attention as they are completing different speech and language tasks. So you simply choose the number of tokens that you'd like to use for your session. You can choose 3, 5, or 10. 3 would be for a student who needs more frequent reinforcement to continue participating and continue keeping their attention on the task. 10 would be for a student who needs less. So you can start at the 3 level, and what you do is you have the stars here, and you're going to fill up this token board. So prior to this, I would establish with your student what their break is and let them know once we fill up all 3, you've earned your break, okay? So once they've earned the first star, they can earn it for any task that you've established needs to be completed. And you'd give them the star and say, look, we need 2 more stars before we can take our break. Look, now we need 1 more star before we can take our break. And here we've filled up our whole board. Now we can take our break. So once they've taken their break, you would press the reset button, and it's going to give you a brand new page that you can continue using for the remainder of your session. Now, there are 10 total reset pages, which should be more than enough for any session with one of your students, okay? So if you find during the session that they've had an easy time earning 3 stars, then you can bump it up to the 5-star level and say, okay, now we need to earn 5 stars before our break. And you can also do that at the 10-star level. And once again, you simply can reset the page, and it gives you a brand new page each time. So to get back to the main page, you would press this logo, and you can find this again at Play, Learn, Talk on Boom Learning, and it's called My Token Board.